Traders, how you doing? In this video, I'm gonna show you how I made $1,500 trading IWM. Let's get started. Video starting now. Good morning, traders. Good morning. Good morning. David with Alexander Trade and Investment Group. Hope all is doing well. We are a little over 4 minutes until cash open. Let me get some of these screens out of my way so I can see better. All right, with 4 minutes and 8 seconds to cash. First thing, let's look at economics. So we did have a report come out today at 8:30. It was basically the deficit report, international trade in goods and services fell flat today. We actually added to the deficit, right? Actual is 78.2 billion. Prior was 73.8. We were looking as a consensus at 77, but ended up going higher. So we actually added to the deficit. If you look at the RPI chart, we are above zero, but yet the orange, yellow, the yellow goldish line is current. The white is previous, and you can see we are below previous. So we definitely have added to the last report, so added to the deficit. That's a negative report, so that could be a catalyst to drop the market today. Also looking at market profile to see what other market participants have done. We from February the 3rd to yesterday the 6th, we grew in value, but we actually failed in price. So this was the open yesterday, 225.76. We closed at 224.50. So even though the value of IWM has gone up, price is actually fallen. So that could be a shift along with the negative report adding to the deficit. We could see a price value divergence where we could continue to drop. I am looking to sell, especially now seeing these numbers come in. If you're looking at the order flow chart, the far right, we have more buyers coming in, but it's not going anywhere. All right, here's 23,000 buyers. Let me make it a little bigger so hopefully y'all can see. 23,000 buyers, 29 in volume, which is pretty decent for pre-market, but it's not going anywhere, right? Here's 4,200 buyers, 7,800 in volume, not as much, right? But we're starting to tick up in volume. Here's another one at 855, 27,000 buyers, 36 in volume, which is pretty big, but we really ain't going nowhere. 10,000 buyers, 17,000 volume. So it was ticking, but not going anywhere. Now we're starting to see with the last 2 minutes of the market, last 2 minutes before cash open, we're starting to see that shift. All right. So we're in value. So we're opening within imbalance today, right? We're open in balance, which is meaning we're opening inside of the previous day's profile. But we're also opening, looks like currently, with about 1 minute and 7 seconds until cash open. We're open within value as well. So this value low of yesterday, 225.34. The value high is all the way at 226.81 roughly. So we're opening within value, opening close to daily POC. Um, we are at the VWAP, which has been, looks like using as a resistance point. So I like the sell this morning. I'm actually looking for the sell. 225s right now, puts with 30 seconds left are going for 108. So it's a little expensive, but we know that's going to change at cash. 224s, I wouldn't do that right now, but that's going for 64 cent per contract times $164. And then the 226s, which were not there unless we pop higher, is going for $1.70. All right, VIX is low at 15.85. 5 seconds into cash. I am looking to sell. Let's see. We're opening now. So prices definitely dropped to 52 cent. I like this. Wow. So I'm getting close to jumping in. Look at that. No volume, POC. We drop value, then I know we're good. All right, I just entered 58 cent per contract, looking for that 68 cent. So 50, let me write this down. 58, looking for 68. Ultimately looking for 78. And I'm not trying to get the very top or bottom, just trying to get in where I know the movement is happening. So 58 was my entry, 68 is the half. Maybe early, maybe not, but I like this. This right away is giving me that thought. Excuse me. Okay. So 58 entry, 68 half. Maybe early, maybe not. Still with this push up, I still like it. Maybe the opportunity to get in at a better price too. Even with this push, I still like the sell. Definitely early. What I want to probably see is new money come in to drop it because this is getting close to the top of the K and the J period. So I may do a second opportunity to, let's see. I like how we have a lot of buyers coming in, but there's no activity up here. Definitely a little early on the trigger. I was really, really liking that little tail, but still confident in it because of this push higher with no volume there. So let's see. I think still that report is negative because we opened, um, I'm sorry, we added to the deficit. So this may give me a better opportunity. Let's see. Get that prepared. All right. Get that prepared for another opportunity at a better price, increase my risk reward. So I am about 8 cent into an drawdown. So definitely early on the trigger. I still like the drop though. We're very early in it. So definitely a second opportunity would help us a lot here. I want to see us. Okay, I'm starting to see what I'm looking for. I think I'll be looking to potentially open up in a second position. All right, I'm starting to see what I want to see here for an opportunity. Definitely was early, but for second entry, it's looking very good. See how we're pushing up in here, but no activity, no volume. We might see this next second. I'll say this is the second 5 minutes coming into it now. There we go. Now we're seeing that happen. Now the sellers are coming in. All right, entry again. What's my second one? All right, let me. Okay, now that went out the way. My second entry, 42 cent. And I'm about to get that 52. Oh, so I got half. Let me move my stop to protect that. All right, so I got half on the second opportunity. We're about to get back to break even on the first one. Looking pretty good, looking good. Okay, hit that VWAP. Oh, let me move that too. Okay. So definitely early on the entry. Second opportunity gave us half a goal, looking like about to get that full goal in a second. Let's see. Yep. Looking good, looking good. We can push down to the open, break the open. I'm almost at full goal in the second. Um, almost at a 2 cent entry or profit on the first. So I am half of goal in right now. We're getting some resistance here on that VWAP. So it looks like I may just be getting that half a goal altogether. I love this push though. What do we open? 225.58. We just hit it. 255, 225.58, right? That should have gave me okay, almost there. Did I move that to 60? Ooh, if I would have moved that to 60, I probably would have been good. Ooh, 60. I feel like I should move it to 60. I got it. Oh, no, never mind. Never mind. That should be it right there. Boom. All right, that's full goal on the second one. Let me move my stop to capture profit on the first one. So I am in profit on the first play by 7. I'm gonna take that because I already made full goal on the first. All right, I'm gonna take just flatten it. All right, and I probably be a little early, but just this could be potentially resistance point. Let me check my orders just to make sure I'm good. Yep, I am good. Not the best day, guys. $1,500 is what I made today. My first entry was definitely early. I saw that wick that quickly got filled. I thought that was the point of coming into the market. Definitely took a nice little drawdown. That second opportunity here to get into it for a better price and for a better risk reward. So first entry was at 58. Looking for 68, only got 64 out of it. So 6 cents, not the 10 cent that at least half, but from a drawdown to 6 cents of profit, which times 100, $60 per contract. That's not bad. And let's see, my second entry was 42 cent. I got that 52 pretty quick, and then that 62 was the full goal. So full goal on the second entry, and only 6 cent on the second. I'm sorry, on the first. So for a total of $1,500. Not too bad for a day's work. Not the best execution, but also not the worst. I still like the idea of selling because of adding to the deficit. That to me, along with seeing what other market participants have done, I just felt like selling and look what it's doing now. It just felt like that was the catalyst to sell. Look at this value on the second 5 minutes. I mean, virtually none, right? And as we were creeping up into this area, we can see virtually no volume, even though this is a positive candle, positive delta, huge volume, definitely no volume there when we creep into the 226s. 226.20, 226.40 even. No volume or little to no volume there to support prices being there. And then you can see in the second 5 minutes, we dropped and we dropped pretty heavily. How far we go, I don't know. VWAP was first sign of resistance. You can probably even say that the daily PLC was a first sign of resistance. I think probably the daily low of yesterday, value low, will probably be another resistance. I do think we may break through it and get closer to a drop of today, but we'll see. I see that again, like we said before the market open, before cash open, we saw an increase in value, but a decrease in price. Um, that's telling me a shift is coming. How much of a shift or how long of a shift, we don't know. That's something that only the insiders know or the bigger players know who are making those decisions. We know that there's possible shift just by looking at what other participants have done, right? You're trying to follow what the other major participants have done. And then you try to see if that's going to happen in the order flow in real time. So like this is real time data. Um, this information, like market profile here, my far left middle chart, those are all you can pretty much get for free from any platform. I have yet to see a platform that charges for market data, a market profile, I should say. I know some profiles or some platforms call market profile different names. Like Thinkorswim, they call market profile monkey bars. It's still the same as market profile. It's just depending on the platform you use, they may call it different things, but I haven't seen anyone charge for it. But the data that you will get charged for because this is vital information, I haven't seen not one platform give this away for free, is the market profile. I'm sorry, is the order flow. Order flow, being able to look inside of the candles. That is paid information. I use Go Charting, as you've seen on the chart on the screen. They charge $20 a month for it. It is real-time data, no delays. I haven't had much issues with them. I mean, it is a web-based platform, so it does have its little quirks. But once you know what those are and be able to work around them, it's a breeze. It's a breeze. All right, guys, that is it for me. Conclusion, I can't say I had the best execution, but definitely was able to see um, direction correctly, analyzed it correctly. And all I need is a moment, right? I don't need all days. It's hard to predict trends. Trends are rare. I know everybody leans on that saying trend is your friend until the trend ends. That's a retail saying. If you really are in the market on a day-to-day basis, you know how rare a trend is. If you're able to catch a trend, that's just a great day. If you're not, that's cool too. What you're trying to find is moments. We're looking at moments on the chart, not days or not full days, I should say. All right, guys. Until next time, great day. Not the best execution. I can't even pretend to say there was, but it worked out great. Until next time, hope to talk to you guys tomorrow. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave comments. As always, I hope you find value in all of my videos. Learn a little something. Hope you become closer and closer to becoming profitable, or at least understanding what the market is as an auction place and how to find opportunities to make money. All right. Have a great rest of your Tuesday. I'll talk to y'all soon.